To fix a portable air conditioner that's not cooling, several possible reasons should be considered. Firstly, the unit or its filters may be dirty due to dust and dirt accumulation, which can be rectified by replacing or cleaning the filters. Additionally, the condensation pan may be full, which can be resolved by regularly emptying it to prevent issues caused by continuous water condensation from the air. Using a unit that's too small for the space it's intended to cool can also interfere with its functionality, so it's essential to get an AC that matches the room size. Poor ventilation can also be a problem, so it's crucial to ensure the portable AC is placed in a well-ventilated area, either by clearing any obstructions or moving it to a more suitable location. Incorrect thermostat settings can also be an issue, particularly if the temperature is set too high. Consulting the manual and setting the thermostat to an optimum temperature can help resolve this. By addressing these potential issues, it's possible to fix a portable air conditioner that's not cooling and get it working effectively. Again,